Source: J. Bongolto, Android Central. What you need to know. Google is finally rolling out support for rich text option to chat on the web, allowing users to format their text depending on the situation. The new text formatting feature, albeit long overdue, should arrive on chat over the next 15 days, Google said in a blog post. It gives you the option to bold, italicize or underline text in your messages. You can also add these formats using the corresponding keyboard shortcuts on many of the best laptops. There's also an option to change text color and add bullet points. You can access the various formatting options by highlighting the texts you want to format and then clicking a small icon in the compose bar. When the feature goes live, it is enabled by default, so neither admins nor end users need to take any action. Oppo Find X5 Pro leaks, specs, camera, battery, more. Oppo's next flagship phone is coming soon, and it shares a lot in common with the OnePlus 10 Pro. 0 seconds of 59 seconds, volume 0%. Sponsored links. Krabak Sung Nung Day Tkad Temquam HLX Rangla Tungkon Ni, Nissan. Prior to this update, chat users had to make do with plain text or markdown formatting to emphasize a particular point. This entails placing asterisks before and after the text you want bolded or underscores to italicize texts. The new method gets rid of those unhandy tricks. Rich text formatting started rolling out on January 20th, so it may not be available to everyone right away. When it does, it will be available to all Google Workspace, G Suite Basic, and G Suite Business customers. The feature's arrival on Google Chat is a little late given that rivals such as Microsoft Teams and Slack have been supporting rich text for quite some time. Nonetheless, it's a welcome addition that should enhance your editing experience on chat on the web. Fool me thrice. Potential Pixel Watch launch date hints at Google I/O timeline. Allegedly, the Pixel Watch has been delayed again, this time to spring 2022. But its timing could indicate when the next Google I/O will take place. And the winner is, most of our readers use Google Messages as their primary texting app. Google Messages is the most popular texting app among Android Central readers, while WhatsApp trails in second place. Power up. OnePlus 10R is launching in Q2 2022 with MediaTek's Dimensity 9000. OnePlus is all set to launch a phone with the MediaTek Dimensity 9000. The OnePlus 10R is going to launch in Q2 2022 with MediaTek's flagship chipset, and it will be coming to India and China. Charging on the go. These are the best Google Pixel 6 card chargers right now. In celebration of the new Google Pixel 6 hitting shelves, we've rounded up a list of the best USB-C compatible card chargers for Google Pixel 6 on the market right now.